These were passenger pigeons, ectopisces migratories at the time, the most abundant bird in North America and possibly in the world. Th- Throughout the 19th century, witnesses had described similar sightings in of pigeon migration. How?
Pokemon recorded these memories in 1895, more than 4 decades after his Manisite River observation. By then, he was in the final years of his life. Passenger pigeons, too, were in their final years. In 1871, their great communal nesting sites had covered 850 square miles of Wisconsin's sandy oak barrens. 136 million birding adults, naturalists A.W. Scorger later estimate. After the population plummeted until, by the mid-1890s, wild flock sizes numbered in dozens rather than the hundreds of millions, even billions. Then they disappeared altogether, except for three captive breeding flocks spread across the Midwest. About September 1st, 1914, the last known of a passenger pigeon was a female named Martha, died at Cincinnati Zoo. She was roughly 29 years old, with a palsy that made her tremble. Not once in her life had she laid a fertile egg.
This year, we mark the 100th anniversary of the passenger pigeon extinction. In the intervening years, researchers have agreed that the bird was hunted out of existence, victimizing them by the fallacy that no amount of exploitation could endanger a creature so abundant. Between now and the end of the year, bird groups and museums will commemorate the centenary in a series of conferences, lectures, and exhibits. Most prominent among them is a project Passenger Pigeon, a wide-ranging effort by a group of scientists, artists, museum curators, and bird lovers. While their focus is the public education, an unrelated organization called Revive and Restore is attempting something far more ambitious and controversial, using genetics to bring the bird back.